Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to fix call cannot be heard in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then scroll down and click on privacy and security, and then scroll down and click on microphone, and here you can access to your microphone apps. Then after give access, go back and clean your mic with soft cloth or tissue, and after cleaning your microphone, then restart your iPhone. It can fix your minor glitches. And for restart your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, and then slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.